Welcome to our review of the Skar Audio TX65 6.5-inch 200-watt two-way elite coaxial car speakers. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the specifications, features, and overall performance of the speakers. So grab a seat and let's dive in. The Skar Audio TX65 6.5-inch 200-watt two-way elite coaxial car speakers are designed to provide high-quality audio for your car audio system. The speakers are engineered to deliver a full range of sound with clear, crisp highs and deep, rich lows. They are designed to be easy to install and can be used with a wide range of car audio systems. The Skar Audio TX65 6.5-inch 200-watt two-way elite coaxial car speakers feature a power handling capacity of 200 watts per pair with an RMS power rating of 100 watts per pair. They have a frequency response range of 55 Hz to 20 kHz and a sensitivity rating of 90 dB. The speakers also features a 1-inch high-performance slick dome tweeter and a 6.5-inch mid-range driver. The Skar Audio TX65 6.5-inch 200-watt two-way elite coaxial car speakers feature a number of advanced features that make them a great choice for car audio enthusiasts. The speakers feature a sleek, modern design with a black carbon fiber cone and a high-quality sleek dome tweeter. They also come with a variety of mounting hardware, including adapter plates and mounting screws, making installation a breeze. In addition, the speakers are built to last with high-quality materials and advanced engineering. They are designed to withstand the rises of daily use and provide reliable, high-quality audio for years to come. The Skar Audio TX65 6.5-inch 200-watt two-way elite coaxial car speakers provide outstanding performance with clear, crisp highs and deep, rich lows. The speakers are engineered to provide a full range of sound with no distortion or muddiness. They are also designed to work well with a wide range of car audio systems, from basic factory systems to high-end aftermarket systems. Overall, the Skar Audio TX65 6.5-inch 200-watt two-way elite coaxial car speakers are an excellent choice for car audio enthusiasts who want high-quality audio for their car audio system. They are built to last, easy to install, and provide outstanding performance. While they may be more expensive than some other car audio speakers on the market, their advanced engineering and high-quality materials make them a worthwhile investment for anyone who wants the best possible audio for their car. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.